Insert chapter number 13, exponent in power. Now let's try to understand when we say a multiplied by a equals to, see, when any number multiply to itself, then it becomes a square. When any number, say 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 square, and the value comes out to be 4. Similarly, when we multiply 3 to itself, it becomes a 3 square, value comes out to be 9. In similar fashion, when we say b multiplied to b, it becomes a b square. In similar fashion, when a number a multiplied to a 3 times, it becomes a cube, or you can say a raised to the power 3. Here you can say a raised to the power 2. When 2 multiplied to 3 times, it becomes a 2 raised to the power 3, or you can say 2 cube. When 3 multiplied to itself 3 times, it becomes 3 raised to the power 3, or you can say 3 cube. In similar fashion, when b multiplied to itself 3 times, it becomes a b cube. Now let's try to take it in higher order. Now when I say a into a into a into a into a, now I am multiplying a itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I say a raised to the power 5. We need to keep in mind, only when raised to the power is 2, we call it as a square as well, and raised to the power 3 we call it as a cube, but rest of the times we call a raised to the power 5. Now 2 multiplied to itself, you can say 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to the power 5. Now 3 is multiply itself, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 3 raised to the power 5. Now in similar fashion, when b multiplied to itself, b into b into b into b into b, then we say b raised to the power 5. Now here let's understand one more terminology which will be used. When say x raised to the power n, x is called, here x is called base, and n is x is called base, and n is called power. You can pause the video and note it out. So when a multiplied to itself, it becomes a square. When 2 multiplies to itself, it becomes a 2 square. When 3 multiplies to itself, once it's a 3 square. Similarly, b square, then a cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, or b cube. Similarly, I have given you an example of raised to the power 5. When a multiplied to itself 5 times, it becomes a raised to the power 5. When 2 multiplied to itself 5 times, it becomes 2 raised to the power 5. In similar manner, 3 raised to the power 5, b raised to the power 5. And when x raised to the power n, x is called as base and n is called as power. Insert chapter number 13, exponent in power. Now we will be solving exercise 13.1. Question 1, find the value of. Now I have written all the questions of this sub-questions of this question 1, and I will be solving one after the another. What you need to do, if you have understood the previous explanation very well, then you can pause the video and solve all of them, and then you play the video and check whether the answer which I have found and the answer, your answers are matching with my answers, as well as the steps I have taken are matching with the steps you have taken or not. So now let's solve the first problem. 2 raised to 6. Now 2 raised to 6 means 2 multiplied by 2 itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and into 2 raised to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now here 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times. Now to solve this kind of problem, don't rush to try to multiply more than 2 at one point of time. So take your own time and solve. First let's solve the 2 first. 2 2s are 4. So we write it as 4 into, then rest of the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then follow the next step. 4 2s are 8 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now the next step will be 8 2s are 16, then into 2 into 2. Then 16 2s are 32 into 2. 32 2s are 64. So now 2 raised to 6 is a 64. But don't try to rush to find out multiple by multiplying. Like 2 3s are 2 4s are. That sort of a thing don't do. Solve the 2 operand, one operand and two numbers at one point of time. So you won't be making any silly mistakes over here. So now first I have solved 2 into 2, then I have solved 2 into 4 into 2, then 8 into, then 16 into, then 32 into, and that comes out to be 64. So now let's move to the second one. The second one is 9 raised to the power 3, or in other words you can say 9 cube. 9 raised to the power 3. That means 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s are 81. And then you multiply by 9. So 9, 81, 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So it comes out to be 729. As I mentioned again and again, and I mentioned very precisely before, that you need to buy certain set of tables by hearted. So at least you should be by hearting about the tables from 2 to 30. And as well, I would recommend you to by heart the square of numbers from 2 to 30, because you will have to find them those kind of squares and multiplication over again and again while solving the problems. So now let's move to third one. 11 square. So now 11 into 11. So 11 into 11. So 11 ones are 11. Carry 1. 11 ones are 11. Plus 1, 121. So 11 square comes out to be 121. So now let's move on to the next one, the fourth problem. What it says, we need to find 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to the power 4. So 5 will be multiplied by itself. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again, as I mentioned before, first do a one step. 25 into 5 into 5. Now 25 into 5, that's 25 are 25 5s are 125 into 5, and then we'll be solving 5 5s are 25. 25, you have a 2 carry forward, 5 2s are 10 and 2 12, then you have a 1, 5 1s are 5 and plus 1 6. So your answer comes out to be 625. Now exercise 13.1, question 2, express the following in exponential form. Again, I have written all the sub questions one after the another. You can pause the video, solve on yourself, and then you can play the video and compare, and you can confirm or you can check whether your answers are matching with mine answers or not. Now first, let's solve the first one. Its first one is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it comes out to be 6 raised to the power 4. Now let's consider second one. T into T. 1, 2. T square. Now third one. Since this is not taking too much of space, I am solving one after the another. B multiplied by B into B into B into B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 comes out to be B raised to the power 4. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So in exponential form, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 5 square into 7 cube. Don't try to solve something further and try to find a new number. We need to just express in the exponential form. So we can multiply the only where the base is same, we can raise to the power. And the last one, that is the fifth one, here fifth one I'll be solving as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into A into A. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So my answer will be 2 raised to the power 2, or you can say 2 square into A square. And now the last one I'll solve here. Now see, here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So I'll be writing as A raised to the power 3 into C raised to the power 4 and D. When there is nothing mentioned, that means there is a power, always there is a power 1. So you can confirm your answers with these answers. Now exercise number 13.1, question number 3, express each of the following number using an exponential notation. As I did before, now I have written all the problems, 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one. We have fourth number. So this is the third one, 1, 2, 3 and this is the fourth one. Now we need to find this number as an exponential of some other number. So what will we do? We'll be solving with the binary method. So first let's consider, I expect you to pay 100% attention. 512 we need to find in, we need to write in exponential notation. So just use the unitary binary method to find. Now I'll start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 256. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now again I divide by 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now again I'll divide by 12. 32 2s are 62, 64. Then 2 16 2s are 32. Then 2 8 2s are 16. Then 2 4 2s are 8. Then 2 2 2s are 4. Then 2 we can say 1 or we can stop over here. Now so that we can rewrite this as horizontally 2 into 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 2 and then last this 2. So 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and that's 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 9. So this can be written as 2 raised to 9. This is the exponential form in which we can write the 512. So now let's move on to the other number. Now first solve the second one, 343. Now 343. So now we divide it by, can we divide 343 cannot be divisible by 2, neither it can be 3, then not now with the 5, nor with the 6, and now I am going to solve by dividing it by 7. Since 7 4s are 28, so I will be having a 6 as a reminder with me, and then 7 9s are 63. I am precisely not doing multiplication and division separately on this side. I want you to do that using a rough paper. So I am just doing straight away over here. And I again insist on by heart the table as many as possible. Make sure you by heart minimum table from 2 to 30. Then my next step is 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. So 1 2 3. So 7 raised to the power 3, or you can call in other term 7 cube. Now let's move on to the third one. So now the third one, 729. 729. It can't be delivered, since it's an odd number, cannot be divisible by 2. Let's start with the 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then the next again 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Then again let's 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then again 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1. So now we'll write it again 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 3 to the power 6. Now the last one, 3 1, we will be solving the fourth one. If you have a difficulty understanding any of them, you can always replay the video. So now I am moving on to the fourth one. This is 3 1 2 5. Now, since in your previous standards you have learned to how to check whether the number is divisible by 3 and number is divisible by 5. So I am not going to reiterate that again. 3, 1, 2, 5 will be checking. This cannot be divisible by 2, 3 and 4. It divisible by 5. So 5 6 are 30. Then 5 2 are 10 and 5 5 are 25. Now again 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Now again I divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Again by 5 5s are 25 and 5 finally 1. So I'll rewrite it as 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 2 3 5 and into 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So it comes out to be 5 raised to the power 5. So here you need to find first whether that number is divisible by 3 or 4 or 2 or 1, and then accordingly you need to solve the problems and even give it a try that you should be able to remember these squares and cubes of the few numbers. Exercise number 13.1, question 4, identify the greater number wherever it possible. Now say the purpose of this exercise, this particular question, is that you need to make a practice of calculating the rest to the power number. Now let's solve the, as I mentioned always, I have written all the sub questions. So now you can pause the video, solve your questions, and then once you are through with it, you can play the video and confirm your answers. Or if you have a difficulty, if you haven't yet understood how to calculate any number to power to the number, you can still play the number and you see and you watch the video. Now here say first question is 4 raised to the power 3 or 3 raised to the power 4. Now let's solve first 4 raised to the power 3. So 4 into 4 into 4, and I am going to write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 4s are 16 into 4. Now here I'll write it again, 3 3s are 9 into 3 into 3. So 16 4s are 64. Then 9 3s are 27 into 3. So I'll just put 64 carry again, and 27 3s are 7 3s are 21. 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 81. So now here you can see 81, 64 is a smaller than the 81. So 81 is a greater number equals to 81. Now let's move on to the second problem. See here there is nothing shortcut or guesswork to be done. It's best to solve the problem and you find it out. Now my second problem is 5 raised to the power 3 or 3 raised to the power 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25 into 5. So I write it 9 into 3 into 3 into 3. 25 5s are 125. So I'll write 27 into 3 into 3. Then I'll just carry forward 125. There's nothing to be done actually on this side. So 27 3s are 81 into 3. So 125, and then 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24. So 243 is the larger number in the second one. Likewise, we'll move on to the next problem, that is the third one. 2 raised to 8 or 8 raised to 2. So we write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 8 square, that comes out to be 8 into 8. So this is 64. Now here 4 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 8 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then you make 16 into 2 to 2 into 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 into 4. So 32. 32 into 2. So into 2 into 2. So 64 into 2 into 2. So it comes out to be 128 into 2. That 256, the final answer. So the 256 is larger. So 2 raised to 8 is the larger number in the case 3. Now let's move on to question 4. Now see, question 4 is 100 raised to 2 or 2 raised to 100. Now just try to find out. See, when I am multiplying by 100 into itself, my answer will be 100 into 100, 10,000. Now, when I multiply 2 raised to the power 100, obviously that number is going to be a greater than this one, because after a certain, if you see 2 raised to the power 10, even if we say, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and then 512 and 124. 0, 2, 4. And then rest of the 2 raised to 10. Because I have not mentioned 2 another 10 times. So again 124 into 124. So 1000, when I say I multiply 1000 into 1000, that number is definitely going to be larger than the 10,000, because the number of the place decimals will be more on the right hand side. So we can say 2 to the power 100 is the larger number. Now we move on to the fifth one. Fifth one, again 2 raised to the power 10 or 10 raised to the power 2. Similarly, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now to save the space and to sort out the problem quickly, I will do it little bit in hurry, little bit fast. 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 28, 28 to the 56, 56 to the 112, 112 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 to the 2 raised to 10 comes out to be 124. Break me out. 2 to the 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512 and 1024. Whereas 10 raised to 2 comes out to be 10 into 2, that is 100. So here definitely 2 raised to 10 is a larger number. If you have a little confusion here, you can manually do the same. How I am doing? I am multiplying and then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 34, 34 2s are 68, 68 2s are 128, 256, you know, that way 512 and then 1004, 24. Now the question 5 of exercise 13.1. Express each of the following as a product of their prime factors. 648, and again I have written all the sub questions. Now we will be solving one by another. So now let's first solve 648. Now we need to do division by the prime number. So we will solve 8 like this here. 648. Can 648 be divisible 5? Yes. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 8. Now this won't be further divisible by 2. So we move on to 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So now again 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and again 3 1s are 3. So my prime factor comes out to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 3. So now 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4. So I'll be writing in exponential form 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. Now let's solve the sub question 2, 405. Now let's first find, can it be divisible by 4? 2, no. 3, no. 4, no. And then let's try to divisible by 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Now 81 is divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 1 and then 3 1s are 3. So my prime factor comes out to be 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 raised to the power 4. Now we'll be solving the third one. 540. Now 540 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 0. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Then 3 5s are 15. And then 5 1s are 5. So my prime factor comes out to be 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 1. So 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 into 5. Now the last one, 3600. So now put it in there, 3600. So start with the 2, 18 to the 36. Then 2, 9 to the 18. Then 2, 45 to the 90. Then 2, 2 to the 4 and 225, 25 to the 50. Then now we can't divide it further by 2. So now move on to the 3. 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 15. Then 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. Then now we can't divide by 3. Neither we can divide by 4. So now move on to 5. 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. So my prime factor comes out to be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Then 5, 5. 5 into 5. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 square into 5 square is the answer.